Welcome back. If you watched part 1, you already know how serious certain types of back pain can be. In this episode, we'll talk about proven treatments, doctor-recommended habits, and the daily routines that can help relieve pain naturally, without drugs or surgery. Let's begin. Part 4:10. Golden foods that rebuild muscle and protect the brain. After 60, food is more than fuel. After 60, food becomes information. Every bite you take tells your body what to do next, whether to heal or to decay, whether to build strength or to store fat. Dr. William Lee calls this intelligent eating. When you feed your body the right nutrients, you are not just eating, you are programming your body to stay young. So let's explore 10 powerful foods that can help you rebuild muscle, protect your brain, and keep your energy high after 60. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are nature's perfect protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids and a high level of leucine, the key switch for muscle growth. One large egg has about 6 grams of protein, and the yolk adds vitamins D and B12, both critical for muscle recovery. A study from the University of Illinois found that eating 2 eggs at breakfast increased muscle protein synthesis by 25% in older adults compared to eating cereal. If you can tolerate eggs, make them a regular part of your morning. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt packs double the protein of regular yogurt and includes probiotics that support digestion and reduce inflammation. The combination of protein and calcium makes it perfect for rebuilding bones and muscles together. A Tufts University study showed that people over 65 who ate a cup of Greek yogurt daily had better leg strength and faster walking speed within 12 weeks. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation and improve the sensitivity of muscle cells to insulin. That means your muscles absorb nutrients better. It is also a great source of vitamin D and high-quality protein. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that seniors who consumed salmon twice a week gained 2 pounds of lean muscle in just 8 weeks without changing their exercise routine. Number 4. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are small but powerful. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and improve blood flow to your muscles and brain. A 2022 Harvard study found that older adults who ate berries 5 times per week had 30% slower cognitive decline and better balance compared to those who rarely ate them. Add a handful to your yogurt or oatmeal. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach is rich in magnesium, potassium, and nitrates, all vital for muscle contraction and circulation. These nutrients help deliver oxygen to your muscles so they can perform better. Researchers at Edith Cowan University found that people who consumed spinach or other leafy greens daily had 11% stronger leg muscles than those who did not. Number 6, turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that reduces muscle soreness and joint pain. It also supports brain function by protecting neurons from oxidative stress. In a clinical trial published in the Journal of Gerontology, older adults who took turmeric daily for 12 weeks improved their muscle recovery time by 30% after light exercise. A pinch of turmeric with black pepper helps your body absorb it better. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are full of healthy fats and plant protein. They stabilize blood sugar and reduce chronic inflammation, 2 of the biggest enemies of muscle strength. Just a small handful of nuts each day can lower C-reactive protein levels, a marker of inflammation, by up to 35%, according to a Mayo Clinic study. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins and polyphenols that activate the mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells. These compounds help muscles produce more energy and reduce fatigue. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who drank 2 cups of green tea daily had 20% higher endurance and lower muscle pain after walking exercises. Number 9. Fermented soy foods like tempeh, natto, or miso are rich in both protein and probiotics. Fermented soy is a traditional powerhouse of leucine and vitamin K2, which strengthen muscles and bones together. In Japan, researchers discovered that elderly adults who ate fermented soy 4 times per week had significantly lower risk of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, compared to those who didn't. Number 10. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is not just a healthy fat. It's anti-inflammatory medicine in liquid form. It protects muscle cells from oxidative stress and helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E. A study from the University of Madrid found that seniors who consumed 1 tablespoon of olive oil daily improved their grip strength and reduced muscle stiffness within 6 weeks. These 10 foods are not exotic, not expensive, and not difficult to find. They are simple, everyday ingredients that carry extraordinary power when used together. If you start including even a few of these in your diet, your body will begin to change. Your digestion will improve. Your sleep will deepen. Your energy will rise. And your muscles will feel alive again. But remember, it's not just about one food. It's about consistency. The small decisions you make every morning become the foundation for how you move, think, and age. Dr. William Lee says, "Every bite can be medicine, or it can be poison. You get to choose which one it is. So choose wisely. Fill your plate with color, texture, and life. Because after 60, the food you eat is no longer about counting calories. It's about feeding your strength, your clarity, and your independence." Tomorrow morning, when you sit down to breakfast, look at your plate and ask yourself, is this meal healing me or hurting me? That single question can change the next 20 years of your life. Part 5, the morning routine that reverses aging. After 60, imagine waking up every morning feeling light, strong, and clear. No pain in your knees, no stiffness in your back, no fog in your mind. That is not a fantasy. It's the natural state of a body that's being cared for the right way. And the secret lies in the first 2 hours of your morning. After 60, your body follows a simple truth. What you do in the morning shapes how you feel for the rest of the day. Every system, your muscles, your heart, your brain, even your immune system, takes instructions from the signals you send after waking up. So if you want to age slower, move better, and live longer, the key is to send your body the right message before noon. This is what doctors and scientists now call the reversal morning window. It's a short period, about 2 hours after you wake, when your body is most ready to repair, rebuild, and regenerate. And the routine you choose during this time can literally turn back your biological clock. So let's walk through the science-backed morning ritual that has helped thousands of older adults regain energy, stability, and clarity, often within just a few weeks. Step 1: hydration and awakening. The first thing your body needs after sleep is water, not coffee. While you sleep, your body loses up to 1 liter of fluid through breathing and sweating. That's why your blood is thicker in the morning and your joints feel stiff. Start your day by drinking a large glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of sea salt. This rehydrates your cells, boosts circulation, and wakes up your digestive system. Dr. Dana Cohen, author of Quench, found that older adults who started their morning with structured hydration reported 25% higher alertness and less muscle fatigue within 1 week. Then take 3 deep breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Slow breathing activates your vagus nerve, the switch for calm and balance, and lowers morning stress hormones. Step 2. The first movement. Within 30 minutes of waking, move your body gently. It doesn't have to be exercise. Think of it as waking up your circulation. Stretch your arms above your head, roll your shoulders, and make small circles with your ankles and knees. If you can, stand up and do 5 slow chair squats or walk across the room. These light movements signal your body to release nitric oxide, which improves blood flow and delivers oxygen to your muscles and brain. A study from the University of Missouri showed that adults over 60 who performed just 5 minutes of light movement every morning had twice the blood flow to their muscles compared to those who stayed seated. It's a small action, but it sends a massive message. I am alive and I'm moving forward. Step 3. The protein breakfast. Now it's time to give your body the raw material it needs to rebuild. Within 1 hour of waking, eat your kushamu, high-protein breakfast. 25 to 30 grams of protein, low in sugar, rich in healthy fats. Your muscles, your brain, and your metabolism all rely on this early supply of amino acids to start their repair work. Think of your breakfast as a construction site delivery. It brings the bricks your body needs to build stronger tissue. And as we've learned before, adding movement after eating helps your body absorb every gram of that protein more efficiently. Eat with gratitude. When you chew slowly, your body releases digestive enzymes that make nutrients more available. Mindful eating isn't about spirituality, it's about biology. Your body listens when you slow down. Step 4. Morning sunlight. Go outside for 5 to 10 minutes. Expose your eyes and skin to natural sunlight. This simple step tells your body clock that a new day has begun and helps reset your circadian rhythm, your internal schedule for energy, digestion, and sleep. A Stanford University study found that people who got sunlight within 2 hours of waking produced 40% more melatonin at night and slept deeper. Better sleep means faster recovery and slower aging. Sunlight also boosts vitamin D production, which supports both muscles and bones. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Step 5. A moment of gratitude or purpose. Your body is mechanical, but your health is emotional. Stress, fear, and loneliness are silent toxins that accelerate aging. Taking 1 minute every morning to think of 3 things you're grateful for, or simply saying to yourself, "I'm lucky to be alive today," can lower inflammation markers in your blood. A 2020 study in Frontiers in Psychology found that seniors who practiced gratitude daily had lower blood pressure, better immune response, and improved muscle strength. This is not positive thinking. It's chemistry. Gratitude lowers cortisol, which in turn protects your heart and preserves your muscles. Step 6. Gentle challenge. Before the morning ends, give your brain and body a tiny challenge. It could be walking an extra 100 steps, learning a new word, or calling a friend you haven't spoken to in years. Challenges keep your brain flexible and your body adaptive. Neuroscientists at Harvard found that small daily challenges stimulate the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus and decision-making, helping prevent cognitive decline. The moment you stop learning or moving, your body assumes you're done growing. So never stop. Step 7. Consistency over perfection. This entire routine, Hydration, movement, protein, sunlight, gratitude takes less than 90 minutes. But if you repeat it daily, it becomes your body's language of youth. In 1 month, you'll feel it. In 3 months, people will see it. In 6 months, your doctor will measure it. You will walk taller, sleep deeper, and think clearer. Not because of supplements or pills, but because you finally aligned your life with your biology. Final message. Aging is not a disease. It's a message from your body asking for balance. And balance always begins with how you start your day. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for your phone, before you turn on the news, take a breath. Drink your water. Move your body. Eat with intention. Step into the sunlight. Because every sunrise gives you another chance to rebuild yourself from the inside out. Your future self is already waiting, strong and grateful, on the other side of that choice. So wake up tomorrow, not just to live another day, but to begin again. Closing message. Stay strong, stay curious, stay alive. Every day, your body gives you a second chance. No matter your age, it never stops listening. It rebuilds when you move. It heals when you rest. It grows stronger when you feed it right. Aging isn't the end of growth. It's the beginning of wisdom. You've spent your whole life taking care of others. Now, it's time to take care of yourself with the same love and patience. If today's video reminded you that strength and clarity are still within reach, don't let it stop here. Take one small action today. Drink more water, cook a protein breakfast, go for a short walk, or simply smile at someone you love. Because change doesn't begin in the gym or at the clinic. It begins with the next choice you make. At Aging Senior Health, we believe that growing older is not about losing time. It's about gaining understanding. If you want more science-backed guidance for your daily health, join this community. Click subscribe, tap the notification bell, and share this video with someone who needs a little hope today. And remember, the best time to rebuild your body was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. So take a deep breath, lift your chin, and step into tomorrow with strength, purpose, and grace. Your best years aren't behind you. They're just beginning. You've just learned how to take control of your back health. Remember, your body speaks before it breaks. Listen to it, care for it, and keep moving gracefully through life. Subscribe to Aging Senior Health for more life-saving insights and daily habits that keep you young, strong, and pain-free.